డిగ్రీ సెమిస్టర్ 1 పరీక్ష రాస్తున్న విద్యార్థులకు శుభాశీస్సులు శుభాకాంక్షలు. టుడే we need to discuss about the paper pattern and little bit of important questions. According to the semester 1 question paper of annual, there are two parts in your question paper, part A and part B. In part A, totally 6 questions are there. Out of 6, you should attempt any 4. Each question should carry 5 marks, 4 5 the 20 marks for part A. Next one, in part B. In part B, totally 5 questions are there. In 5 questions, word to word meanings, essay questions and grammar part are included. Each question should carry 15 marks there. So first we need to discuss about part A, question number 1. The question number 1 is depends on Mudabhishektum Varadatvam Arhasi. The topic is related to epic of Ramayana written by Valmiki, and out of the entire 36 poems in this lesson, in your study material 16 poems are given. If you are able to write the question number 1 in part A, you need to prepare entire 1 to 16 poems and meanings too. In your question paper, full poem they are giving. Just you write the poet introduction, then the specific poem meaning you should write in English or Telugu. Question number 2 is reference to contest from Dharmabaddho Dawarikaha. Question number 3 from Esha Dharma Sanatanaha poem filling. It means totally 10 poems are there. You should prepare 10 out of 10. Question number 4 again Mudabhishektum Varadatvam Arhasi, reference to contest. In that part 8 examples are given. You should prepare 8 out of 8. But in question paper only 1 will come. Question number 5 Kritagne Nasti Nishkrutihi, the topic. Poem translation is mandatory to write. Totally in your material 7 poems are there. You should prepare 7 out of 7. Out of 7 only 1 poem will come in your question paper, and you need to write the poet introduction, then meaning of that specific poem. Last one is Sandhi. Sandhi Vighatayata, the question. Totally 5 examples will ask you. You should write 5 out of 5 examples. Each should carry 1 mark. So 5 examples should carry 5 marks in question number 6 part A. So there is a one little bit of flexibility. You should choose any 4 from part A topics. 1 to 6 questions are there. So out of 6 you should choose any 4, and those are you chosen. You should prepare entire one, not at all any filtering in that. Okay, already in your material important poems and important reference to contest and grammar part also given. So you should prepare entire one according to the chosen as your 4. Next one, part B. In part B, totally Himalayo Nama Nagadharaja poems. You should write word to word meanings of that poems. Totally 17 examples are there, and in this part you should prepare any 10 according to the out of 17. In your question paper totally 4 poems are coming. Out of 4 you should write any 2. Next one, essay question. Essay questions are 2. Kritagne Nasti Nishkruti Vanara Makara Katha. The Vanara Makara Katha essay is very very flexible to attempt, Nana. And next one, Dharmabaddho Dawarikaha essay. In these 2 essays between or option will giving you. So you should write any one out of these 2 essays. Next one, Shabdas. The Shabda topic are totally in your syllabus 13 are there. So 13 out of you should prepare at least any 10. In your question paper totally 4 Shabdas are coming. Out of 4 you should write any 2. Last one, Sandhi. Sandhi ఆల్రెడీ విఘటన ప్రక్రియ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాంట్లో ఇస్తారు. ఆల్రెడీ డివైడెడ్ వర్షన్ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్, అండ్ యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇట్ సంధత్త. ఇన్ యువర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఆల్రెడీ డన్ దిస్ ప్యాటర్న్. సంధత్త మీన్స్ కలపాలి, అండ్ నామ నిర్దేశకపూర్వకం సంధత్త అని అంటాడు. యూ షుడ్ రైట్ ద నేమ్ ఆల్సో, ఐడెంటిఫై ద సంధి నేమ్ ఆల్సో, అండ్ యూ షుడ్ క్లబ్ ద డివైడెడ్ వర్డ్, then write the sandhi name. Totally 10 examples are giving. Out of 10 you should write any 5. In sandhi category major examples are coming from सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि, गुण संधि, वृद्धि संधि, यनादेश संधि. In and next one, हल संधि category, चुत्व संधि, ष्टित्व संधि, अनुनासिक संधि. These all are very necessary to prepare it in part A and part B. If you are writing in part A, then you should prepare entire sandhis. It is very mandatory, Babu. So all of you prepare well and attempt the examination in good mode. Get good marks. All the best to one and all, dear students. Thank you to all. Namaste.